So put the camera on a flat surface like this. Turn on the camera. Get the lens out. And then after that, what you need is a vacuum cleaner. So the vacuum cleaner I have got is Dyson V7, and this is the vacuum cleaner I will be using to clean the lens from inside of the camera, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Make sure take the battery out of the camera and put the camera on a flat surface like this. Take the nozzle near the lens, but make sure don't touch the lens so it doesn't damage the camera. Press the on button of the vacuum cleaner and move the nozzle around for a few seconds, and you will see 100% all the dust from inside of the lens will be gone completely. This is the only best way to clean the camera lens from inside and the most easiest way. So I hope this technique would work for you, and let me know in the comment section if it did really work.